So, you think you want to be your landlord, huh?
Somebody broke in our apartment this morning and stole all our stuff.
I sure hope they didn't get the rent money.
In this tutorial, I want to give you some valuable information to help guide you on your decision of buying your first rental property. Hey, it's Tariq from Yes I Pay Cash and the First Class Flipping Academy, where I teach you about entrepreneurship along with real estate investing to help you achieve financial independence and grow your business. If you find value in the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps out. Everything that we discuss will be time-stamped down below. You guys ready? Let's go. So when becoming a landlord, there are some major factors that you need to consider. Number one, you have to remember that you are operating a business. This means that you'll need to keep profits in the front of your mind. It's very important to keep detailed records of your expenses and your income. Make sure you keep those canceled checks, copies of bills, and all of your receipts. An inexpensive ledger system is fine for tracking your financials. There are also various spreadsheet programs and dedicated accounting software that are excellent tools. You might want to consider using a tax accountant, at least in the beginning, to make sure you get your books set up correctly. Joining a local real estate meetup can also be of great assistance. Number two, don't forget you'll have to pay taxes. Even though you need to pay taxes on your rental profits, there are also tax advantages available to property owners and landlords. Some of the most common deductions are the interest payments on your mortgage, your advertising to find tenants, your insurance premiums, your property taxes, repairs and maintenance, even your tax preparation, and also your depreciation. Next, you should remember that there are numerous laws concerning housing. There are local codes related to the structure itself, and there are local and state laws related to evictions, the handling of deposits, how much rents can be raised, and many other related factors. Your local government should have all of the local laws, and the Attorney General's office should have all of the required information about the state laws. Now, there are also federal laws that pertain to tenant-landlord relationships. These primarily address discrimination as it relates to renting and advertising practices. Some laws actually don't apply if the landlord lives at the property or if there are 4 units or less. Next, you should consult with a good attorney. It may be a good idea to have an attorney review your lease before the tenant signs, just to make sure that you are following the law. Attorneys are also useful during the eviction process. Your local real estate group likely endorses some attorneys that specialize in real estate matters. And if you're in doubt about any legal issues, it's better to be safe than sorry. Next, you should note that your standard homeowner's insurance policy will most likely not apply. Your regular homeowner's insurance policy is for owner-occupied homes, so you'll need a policy specific to rental properties. You might also require a separate endorsement if the home is vacant for an extended period of time. Next, you should know all of your responsibilities. As a landlord, you have to meet certain requirements. Be sure you are aware of all of your state and local laws. Your property must comply with all local building codes. The property must be kept in livable condition. The utilities must be in working order, and you must provide functioning smoke detectors and in most cases carbon monoxide detectors as well. And last but not least, you may want to consider a property management service. For about 10% of the rent, a property management company will find you tenants, collect the rent, make repairs at your cost, and handle nearly every other type of issue. So if you'd rather spend your time finding more rental properties to buy, a management service can be a good idea. In closing, becoming a landlord is not to be taken lightly. Although it can be lucrative, it only takes one bad tenant to create a very challenging situation. Trust me, I've been there. So go into the business of being a landlord with your eyes wide open. There are plenty of videos and books on this topic, and you can also find local landlords for guidance and advice. Happy investing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Peace.